The skills of the future have never been more important or more exciting. That's why we've made it our mission to inspire the creators of tomorrow. We're Sphero, and we make undeniably cool programmable robots that transform the way kids learn through coding and STEAM activities in the most fun way possible. We have a little piece of app-enabled tech for people of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're learning at home, in school, or anywhere in between, our products, apps, and content provide great experiences for anyone, anywhere. Plus, they're designed for learner progression, so you can start, grow, and advance with Sphero. Don't just take our word for it. More than 40,000 educators in over 80 countries use Sphero to inspire millions of kids in ways we never could have imagined. And we can imagine quite a bit. It helps us do what we do. The skills students unlock through coding prepare them to thrive in all aspects of life. We couldn't be more thrilled to play a part in their success.